How to solve account freeze problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve account freeze problem on Android phone. First just try to clean your cache, your TikTok cache. Go to apps and then apps again, and here you need to find TikTok, type it and click TikTok and go to storage, clear cache. Now just go and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone, click restart and try again, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.